This is the unboxing of Destructor BBL. Whatever, yeah, it's DF Models. Okay, 1/8 scale, buggy. Me unbox it. We don't need this one. Off you go. Rear wing, spoiler. Wheelie bars. This one. And some manual. That's it. I thought I saw some hex key, emboss, and the car. It's a pretty big one. Okay, the car, and probably the remote because it's supposed to be RTR, but it's not RTR because the battery is missing. Batteries for remote probably. Yes, no batteries for remote, plastic remote. This is gummy, this is good. All plastic, light. Okay, and the car. So the car is not RTR, but is ARTR, almost ready to run. No matter what the manufacturers say about the RTRs, most of them are ARTR. That means almost ready to run. No battery, it's almost. You have to put in. I think I saw some Traxxas bullshit with RTR label. And no batteries, no servo, no easts, no nothing. It was a kit and it says RTR. It's not RTR, it's a fucking kit. Okay, so let us check the car. Oops. This is high probability this to happen. Yes. Okay, we got a big motor, tight, some velcro for battery, okay, receiver, and RTR, waterproof ST8. Okay, nice, T-plug, so probably it runs on 2S. I don't think you can handle 3S, or maybe. Okay. This one is not locked. That's okay. We'll put it this way. Metal rod. Tires with sponges. Nice. Some wobbling. Not so precise, but it's okay for the buggy. And this needs to be taken apart. This one too. It's too slow rebound. It's okay. Out of the box, I think it's quite okay. Let me see how this thing runs. Okay, see you later.